Hi friends! We're going to be talking about sea animals this week and where they live and different kinds of sea animals. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this one over here in the corner. Can you find it? Do you know what it's called? A stingray. A stingray. And I'm going to show you guys how to say some of the things with your hands too, okay? So, stingray. Stingray. All right. And then we're going to go over to this one right here. This little brown, white tree-looking thing is called an anemone. 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 Anemone is where Nemo and Marlin live. Fish like clownfish. That's where they live, okay? And speaking of fish, what is this orange and white animal? What is it? Yes, it's a fish. 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 Good job. And then right next to the fish, we see lots of other different kinds of fish and lots of colorful things. That's called a coral reef. The coral reef is where all the fish live. So there's lots of different anemones. Lots of different anemones all together. And when they're all together, it's called a coral reef. All right, let's see what's next. All right, so this one on the top here, this top corner, that one is a crab. And so you can make crab with 2 fingers. Crab. Crab. Okay? And then right under the crab is a lobster. Lobster. Lobster and crabs both have little pinchers. So that way they're the same. But look, the crab has a more oval circle body. And look at the lobster has a long, almost rectangle body with some fins at the bottom. All right. So they kind of look the same, but they're not. They're different. All right. Now let's look at this animal over here. What's that one? A seahorse. You can do seahorse. Seahorse. And seahorse, all of them are really, really small. Really small. They're not very big. They're smaller than crabs and lobsters. All right. What are those? What is it? That's right. It's a shark. Shark. So for shark, you just get your hand, put it on top of your head to make a fin. Shark. Shark. Good job. What's this animal over here, this black and white one? Yeah, it could be Shamu, or we're gonna call it an orca. Orca. So for orca, we are going to get number 3 and do like the sign for whale. This. Orca. Orca. Okay? Good job, friends. Let's see what the next one is. Ooh, what's this kind of orange pink one with tentacles? What's that one called? Do you know? Octopus. That's right, octopus. So for octopus, you're going to get your hand. Octopus. Octopus. Good job, friends. What's this one over here called? A dolphin. Dolphin. So for dolphin, we're going to get our sign for D. Dolphin. Dolphin. One more time. Dolphin. All right. Now for this one, we have starfish. So we're going to do starfish. 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 What color is that starfish? Good job. It's orange. So we have an orange starfish. Good job. All right. What's this one at the bottom? Down here. A turtle. A turtle. So for turtle, we're going to get like our thumb like this and hide it. And then turtle. 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 And you guys remember, it's a turtle. So its fins right here are flat. They are flat. See? All right. Ooh, what's this one right here? With these long antennae and stingers? Yeah, it's a jellyfish. So for jellyfish, we're gonna go like this. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. All right, friends. That was so good. I'm so proud of you guys for listening and for trying to make the words of the week with your hands too. So why don't you go ahead and practice? And if you do any of the words, then you can show me. You can send me a picture, a video, or anything like that, okay? All right, bye.